Hello friends, welcome to your channel and another weekly top down analysis video on the gold and GJ. So as usual, we will start our analysis with the monthly time frame and then we will go down to lower time frames, weekly, daily, 4 hour and 30 minutes time frame. And on 30 minutes time frame, we will also talk about some intraday and scalping setups as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we are going to start with the gold monthly time frame. So we can see that on the gold, we are bullish as we are kind of making higher highs and higher lows. Also, by looking at the market structure, we can see that we have this huge resistance right here because the price rejected this area multiple times. Now we have broken this area and have created a new high. So right now I anticipate a pullback on the monthly time frame, support formation before we continue going up. Also, by looking at the last monthly candle closure, we can see that we have a small body and a huge rejection. So basically the momentum to go up is going down. So we can anticipate a pullback and support formation before we can continue going up. So now let's go to weekly time frame to see exactly what is happening on the weekly time frame on the gold. Weekly time frame is also kind of looking bullish as we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we are having a bullish market structure on the weekly time frame. As we can see here, we created a high, we came down, created a higher low, we broke the previous high, created a new high. So right now, as we can also see, we have this resistance and price closed bullish here. So we also created a support, but we made this huge move, and after that we did not have a meaningful pullback. So we can anticipate a pullback here as we saw on the monthly time frame. So basically, if we break this resistance, I anticipate the price to continue going up without making any pullback. But at the same time, if we break this support, we already have clean range on the left hand side. So I anticipate the price to come down, make a deeper pullback, support formation, and then continue going up as we saw on the monthly time frame. Let's see on the daily time frame what exactly happening on the daily time frame. So daily time frame is also kind of bullish as we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we can see on the daily time frame, we created a high, we created a higher low. Again, we created a new high, and then the price came down and basically forms a support. And right now we broke this resistance here, and right now the price is coming up to retest this resistance. So same as we saw on the monthly and the weekly time frame. So now if we break this support, we already have clean range on the left hand side, so I anticipate the price to come down. So now let's go to 4 hour time frame to see exactly what is happening on the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour is kind of looking bullish at the moment as we are making higher highs and higher lows. So starting from the bottom, we can see that we created a high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We broke the previous high, created a new high, and right now after making this big move, we did not make a pullback. So now I anticipate a pullback maybe into this support area or this previous support area, and then a bounce from here to reach this new high. So that is something on the 4 hour time frame. Now let's go to 30-minute time frame to find exactly what is happening on the 30-minute time frame. We can see that we were making higher highs and higher lows. We created a high, we created a higher low, then we made a lower high. So we were not able to break the previous high, so we made a lower high, and right now we are at this previous support area. So if we break this support, I basically anticipate the price to make this lower low, lower high structure. But at the same time, if we bounce from this area, because we already bounced from this area once, now if we get a strong bullish candle closure here, we were already bullish here as we are making a new high. So now I anticipate the price to come up, reach this high and this high. That is something I see on the 30-minute time frame. Now let's go to our second pair, which is GJ, and start with the monthly time frame analysis. So GJ on the monthly time frame, we can see that GJ is also bullish on the monthly time frame as we are bullish and making higher highs and higher lows. So we created a high, we created a higher low, higher high, higher low, and right now we have created a new high. So I anticipate the price to come down, make a pullback, find support, and continue going up. Also, by looking at or basically looking closely at the market structure, we can see that we have this basically we had this resistance at one point of time, and we have the next resistance right here. So we can see that the monthly candle, we had this resistance, we already have clean range on the left hand side, so we got the last monthly candle close above this resistance, right? And we have this week to fill. Also we have clean range on the left hand side, so I anticipate the current monthly candle to continue going up as we have already created a bottom week. So I anticipate the current monthly candle to fill this week and continue going up to the next resistance. So that is something I see on the monthly time frame. Now let's go to weekly time frame to find exactly what is happening on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that we are bullish as we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we broke the previous high, created a new high. Right now I anticipate the price to make a pullback and then continue going up and hopefully make a new higher high. Also, by looking closely at the market structure, I can see that we have this resistance and we have this support, and we can see that the last weekly candle closed bullish, and right now I anticipate the next weekly candle to basically open up, create a bottom wick, and continue going up to the next resistance, which is right here. So that is something I expect. Also, if we have these multiple supports in this area, so if we break these supports, create a new low, we can also wait for a pullback and look for a shorting opportunity to continue going down. This is something we can anticipate on the weekly time frame, and by using this information, we can take trades on the 30 minutes and 1 hour time frame. So now let's go to our daily time frame to find exactly what is happening on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are also bullish because we are making higher highs and higher lows. So we made a high, we made a higher low, higher high, higher low. Then we broke the previous high, created a new high. Price came down, and right now we are coming up to retest the new high created by the price. So we are bullish on the daily time frame. Now let's go to 4 hour time frame to find exactly what is happening on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we can see that the price is kind of making this minor structure, and we are going to the upside at the moment, right? So also we can see that we did not make a pullback. So I anticipate the price to come down to this area somewhere, find some kind of support, and then we can look for a long opportunity, or we can anticipate the price to come up and retest this high created by the price. So that is something I anticipate on the 4 hour time frame. Now let's go to 30-minute time frame to see exactly what is happening on the 30 minute. By looking at the market structure, we can see that we are bullish as we are making high highs and higher lows. So we created a higher low, high high, higher low, high high, higher low. We created another higher high. Now I anticipate the price to come down to previous support area and to look for some bullish market structure here to take long and the target the new high created by the price. That is something I see in the bullish side. But at the same time, if we break this market structure, basically break this higher low, we can wait for a pullback. We can wait basically for a low to be created, then for a pullback, and then look for some shorting opportunity to target the new low created by the price. So these are the long and short opportunities that we can anticipate on the GJ on the 30-minute time frame. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis on the gold and GJ from the monthly to the 30-minute time frame. I hope you found some value from this video. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in another video.